Hello trader, and welcome to my second episode of my live trading. During the sessions I provide the reason why I entered the trade and as well as my recommendation on the market condition and the reason why I entered and exited the market. So hopefully there's something benefit for you, and if you have any questions just feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer that. And so it is about London morning sessions while my location is around late afternoon. Actually, this is one of my favorite time for trading. And let's see if the market gives me any opportunity to enter the market today. Alright, let's get started. As you can see, I just opened in a sell order for this currency pair, but give me a second. Let me set the take profit and stop loss, and I'll explain to you why I entered the trade and what's the point for the take profit and stop loss. Alright. So when I see the price formation and especially this bearish candle, that's the reason I decided to open a sell trade in here. There are several times that the buy trader is struggling in going up, and you see 1, 2, 3, 4 times the price tests this level. So once it breaks the level, I decide to try to trade in here. And you know, I don't expect to have like 100 pips or something. I'll just do scalping and expect to have like 10, 20, 30 pips. Get in and out quick. So yeah, this is a plus a take profit in here because I'm not so confident the price will go into this range. Especially look at this level. This is the level that I will take place a take profit, and stop loss will be in here. Once again, retest the level. If we retest one more time, I think it will go up. So yeah, that will be my stop loss. And you know, 100% of trade I perform in my live trading series is on my live personal account. So you can see up here. I'll do the more and give people shit advice. Just my live trading. Hopefully there will be someone who learns something from this. Oh, you're gonna hit my take profit. Oop. Will it be the first trade in profit? We'll see. I will not close the trade. So yeah, the price hit my take profit or hit my stop loss. So where it go? Oops, here we go. My patience has been paid off for this trade. You know, to me, before we enter any trade, there must be a well plan. It must be well planned. So if you modify your take profit or stop loss or manually close the trade, you against yourself, and that's not good behavior. So yeah, especially for stop loss, you should not move, especially in a trade in the losing condition. So only move to stop loss to break even once you're in a winning trade. Alright, let's check another QC pair, see if there's any other chance, any opportunity for me. I think I'm gonna go short for Euro USD. The setup look perfect to me. The several condition. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go short. Alright, let's get the take profit and stop loss, and we'll talk about this trade. So I get Fibonacci. For this one, I will use Fibonacci for setting up the stop loss. Not really trust the previous high or whatever. Maybe stop hunt, especially for scalper. So yeah, here we go. My take profit stop loss ready. I'm done my buy. We'll see the market. What will be the ending? Alright, so this is like 15-20 minutes later. In here you see that the buy trader is struggling in breaking this level. This is the second time they test this level. So we'll see where the price go. With a combination of several candles in here, I'm pretty confident for the trade. So yeah, we'll see. With a strong movement of several bearish candle break through the other side of my 3 EMAs. So what I'm expecting is there will be a price correction, and I will take advantage of that. And so you see the reason I set my take profit in here. I just want to take profit of this price correction. And here it is, not a 5 minutes bearish candle, hopefully full body. Because if so, yeah, my take profit will be triggered and I'll be out of the trade. And that's it for me for the second trade. I was thinking to open one more sell order if the price retests this level one more time. So yeah, that's my plan. We'll see where it goes. You can see that stochastic is working pretty well in this case, because I was using stochastic as one of my conditions to open the sell order for this trade beside the price action. So I opened the sell order around here, and at the same time, if you look down, stochastic give me the signal saying that the market is in the overbought condition, especially before that we have a huge downtrend with several bearish candles like this. So I have no doubt that this is the price will continue the trend after the correction. So if you ask me how confident I am in this trade, I would say 70-80% that I'm pretty confident for the trade. Alright, we have another 5-minute candles. The previous one didn't go as I expect. It is a bearish candle, but the bottom wick is pretty long. Here we go. Hit my take profit or not? Yeah, so the previous bearish candle is yeah. Hopefully it's not rejection of that movement, and I still keep my confidence for the trade. Then it was just about 1 pip from my take profit, and right now you see the price. You can see that buyer and seller now in fighting in this level. Obviously, with the previous bearish candle, seller trader is having advantage in this case, but you know, buy trader also fighting hard. Let's see. So now we have 2 bearish candle with the bottom wick. We'll see if the market hit my take profit. As I say in my previous trade, so I will not manually close the trade just because the price is so close to my take profit. So after like 10 minutes later, here is what we have. Just give me a second to get a trend line, and I'll explain to you what I'm thinking. I think I will open one more order after I see what is going on in here. Yeah, I think I will get one more sell order. Stop loss will be here. Take profit, I will set the same take profit with the other position. So yeah, you can see the trend line that I just create. Hopefully my forecast is correct. So first of all, I see a very strong movement with a several bearish candle. The second one, this area in here. Now trader is struggling in here, so with this trend line, hopefully my forecast is correct. Will I be rewarded for this? Alright, so after retesting the trend line level, now we have another bearish candle. Hopefully this is the one that hit my take profit. After price formed the formation like this, two bearish candle with a long wick and one doji candle, and two more bullish. I'm quite nervous for the case, but see it retest one more time the trend line that we created before, and now there's a long bearish candle. Hopefully, well, there's one more time the price approach my take profit. Oh, what's so difficult to hit that level? We'll see if the price breaks the trend line that I created. Here we go. Head my take. Here we go. Woo. And at the end, my forecast and prediction is pay off. And this was it for the second trade. It's pretty rough compared to the first one, but yeah, no problem. I enjoy it, especially forecast for the second trade that I opened. The second order has been paid off. No complaint. We move on to the other currency pair, and so I think for USD Japan yen right now, I will go long. And yep, definitely. Okay. So let's just enter the market. Here is my stop loss and take profit, and in a second I'll explain to you why. So what we see in the market right now, price went up here, down, up, down, lower high, and we are in here right now. You see price 2 times test this level, and if you look left, I think this is pretty solid support level. So what I'm thinking right now is I expect another retest and bounce back of the price, and I will take advantage of that with just 10-20 pips, and I will be out of the market. So that's the reason I set my take profit here. For stop loss, I'll set down here. The reason why, because within this range, if the price breaks through that, I'll be out of the market with no complaint. So yeah, I've done my part here. We just sit back and see what story the market will tell for this trade. There are 2 reasons I entered the trade. First of all, it's just about the retesting the level that it bounced back before in here. Second, look at the stochastic, giving me the signal of the oversold. So this is the point where I entered the trade for taking profit after look at stochastic and the ATR. I choose this level to be my take profit. That's my prediction where the range of the price can hit back, and hopefully I'll get out of market with the profit with my correct forecast. Now I've done my part, and just sit back and see what is the rest of the story that the market will tell. Alright, so after 15 minutes, you see that price is reacting to my 8 and 13 EMA pretty strong. At the same time, same thing to the support level in here. I will move to a lower time frame and see what is going on in here. Okay, this is interesting. So as you can see, the support level is pretty solid, and price has been 4 times retesting this level. So I'll see this candle, and I'm thinking to add one more buy position. You know, I believe a lot of people say do not go to a low time frame, especially 1 minute time frame, because there will be a lot of noise, a lot of stop hunt. Well, that's not wrong. but different people have different point of view. For me, somehow I enjoy the low time frame, especially when I want to make some decision. Look at the price behavior of the 1 minute time frame benefit me for some scenario, but it is not my advice, especially if you are new to forex. So stay away from the 1 minute time frame unless you know how to use it. You know what? I'm thinking to add one more order, but I will see the price behavior in this candle or a couple more before I decide to. Yeah, with what is going on, I think I'll add one more position. Okay, I'm in for 2 position, buy position. Oops, that doesn't look good. Let me set a take profit and stop loss. So as you can see, I just lower my take profit with the condition right now. It's better to protect the capital. Not all the cases that we should keep the original plan. There's some case that you might need to adjust your strategy. It's better to keep some money and put into your pocket rather than let it go. So for stop loss, for 2 orders, I set the same level. For take profit, I reduce it to half to increase the winning rate for this trade. Obviously, you can see this trend line and what is going on down here. What will happen after this? I cannot 100% say it, but betting into the trade with the well planned and well analyzed is what we can do. And look at that bullish candle. We can see that sell and buy trader is fighting pretty hard in the market right now. Stochastic is approaching overbought. Well, in 1 minute time frame, I think we should not take a look at any indicators because a lot of lagging and noise. But yeah, just something for you to take the reference. ATR is pretty low right now. Looks like it will take me like 10, 15, 20 minutes more before I can get out of this trade. And here is 3 minutes later after rally up and down in here. Now we have several bullish candle, and now you see a consolidation area on 1 minute time frame. Hopefully, and we'll see if it hit the above channel of this consolidation area. Oh, is that it? Come on, one more time. It's so fun to watch on 1 minute time. Here we go. All right, so that's pretty epic for today. 3-0, definitely a good day for me. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you learned something from the trade. So if you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to answer that. All right, take care, happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.